Let's look at some examples of solving equations using multiple steps. So here we have 7x equals to x plus 12. So in the previous video we saw examples where we had x on one side of the equal sign, but now we have it on both sides of the equal sign. So what do? We simply need to, like before, collect them, right? Collect like terms. So in this case, we have 7x on this side, the x is on the other side. So let's move the x, all the x's, all the terms that have an x, to the left side of the equal sign. So we begin by doing the following: 7x, and we're going to keep it there for now. Now x needs to go to the other side of the equal sign, so it's a plus x here, because in front of it there's a plus, so plus x. When it moves to the other side, it becomes minus x. We leave the 12 on that side. Now we can collect like terms. Collect like terms. Like terms have the same variable and same exponent. Same variable x here, exponent is 1, even though we don't write it. 7x minus x minus 1x, really, if that helps you. You can put the 1 here as well. 7x minus 1x gives us 6x equals 12, and we need to get rid of the 6, so 6 is multiplying, it becomes division on the other side. So 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 gives us 2. Now, once again, just like before, right, I would only show you for the first example. You can always check your answers. Just like before, you do the left side equals to the right side. Left side happens to be 7x. The right side is 1x plus 12. So we substitute on the left side. We substitute 2, which is what we got. So we know that 7 times 2 gives us 14. Okay, so we should get 14 on the other side. Yes. And 1 times 2, same thing. We substituted 1 times 2 gives us 2, so 2 plus 12 gives us 14. So yes, we can say that this is our correct answer, and we can see that the left side equals to the right side. Right? Okay, so I'll leave it up to you. You guys can check all the other examples that we're gonna do, but for now let's continue looking at these. Okay, let's look at our next example. You have, and just like before, you can always pause the video and try it yourselves. Alright, equals 93 plus 3x. Okay, once again, we need to collect like terms. So let's put all the terms that have an x on this side. So 10x, and we're going to move the 72 there, but before I write it, let's move this 3x to the other side of the equal sign. So positive 3x becomes minus 3x equals 93. The 72, when it goes on the other side, it becomes minus 72. Now let's collect like terms, add and subtract like terms. 10x minus 3x becomes 7x. 93 minus 72 becomes 21. X equals, we need to get rid of the 7. The 7 is multiplying, it will be dividing on the other side. 21 divided by 7 gives us 3. So that's the answer. And if you substitute, you can check it yourself. Substitute on the left side, you should get the same answer. Substitute on the right side, you should get the same answer. Let's look at another example. We have negative 4x plus 3 equals 33 plus 2x. Alright. Once again, we have x's here, an x there, so we start collecting everything on one side of the equal sign. So let's write negative 4x. This 2x moves to the other side, and it will become negative 2x. The 3, let's move it to the other side because it's a like term with the 33. So 33, we leave it there. Plus 3 will become minus 3 on the other side. Plus 3 minus 3, the opposite operations. Let's collect like terms. Minus 4x minus 2x gives us minus 6x. 33 minus 3 gives us 30. And we have minus 6x. We need to get rid of the minus 6 to leave the x alone. Minus 6 is multiplying x. if the minus 6 is multiplying, it will be dividing on the other side. So x equals 30 over minus 6. X equals positive and negative. Negative 30 divided by 6 gives us 5. And that's the answer for 5 for this question. Let's look at a few more. Well, in fact, let's not look at a few more. Just watch the second part of the next video, and for now, don't forget to subscribe.